Hello students, welcome to today's talk. We are celebrating Fit India movement from 1st of December to 7th December. Plenty of programs have been planned for you and you have done very well in all those programs. Recently, yoga, motivational talks and various kinds of deliberations have been sent to you and you listened it, you performed also. I'm on different topic and very straight today with you. Why you should be fit, why you should be healthy. There should be some reason to be healthy. And who wants to be a sick person? Nobody. Everybody wants to be healthy and you should also be healthy. What can we do? How can we get it? This is what I am going to talk today. Do simple things, very straight. What to eat, when to eat, and how much to eat is very important. What to do, when to do, and how much is to be done, that is also very important. You cannot compare with somebody else. He has done as he has done something, so I should also do. No, everybody has got different structure, different capabilities, and you should know what your capability is. So simple things are just get up early in the morning, try to sleep by 10:30 or 11 o'clock in the night. The good food is whatever your parents are providing, that is good food. Very simple definition. There is no parent who says, come on, take this junk food and it is good for you. Whatever your parents are providing, that is good food. And think positive. That is very important. Think positive means try to focus on your achievements. Try to focus on your working. Try to compete with your own, not with somebody else. That will give you extra energy. That is what positive thinking is all about. Just introspect yourself to what you have done yesterday. Obviously, you will get something and improve upon it and do some good things. That is how you can achieve success in your life. By becoming fit, becoming healthy, you do multi things. One is you are making happy for yourself. You are able to do more work. You can achieve more. You are making your parents happy. You can contribute more. And finally, if I say you are contributing in the development and growth of nation, you cannot keep your nation away. By doing a simple thing, keeping yourself healthy, you are contributing greatly in the development of the country. So my suggestions again to you, be focused, be healthy, and healthy means mentally and physically. Let us not have myth. I have got very simple definition about healthy. You are healthy when you are able to do your all the activities without any problem. You are healthy. So with this I will conclude. Wish you all the best. Wish you very good health. And you are the people, you are the pillars of the nation who are going to carry on for this. And all the best and best wishes to you. Thank you.